Hello, this is my DIY fifth axis, and this is the trainer. This side is the fourth axis. This is the fifth axis, and I'm going to check the concentricities of this axis, the fifth axis. There is very slight deviations in the pointers, around 0.01 millimeter, and I now move it to upper portions. Then the deviation is very small, and I'm now going to check the perpendicularities of this chart against this table surface. I move the dial indicators upward and downward and see the readings. It's around 0.02 millimeter, and I'm now turning it to 19 degrees and check the readings again. It's almost 0.01 millimeter. Or 0.02 millimeter. And the testing is finished. And in the next videos I will make two holders on these areas for holding the lathe tool to cut a circular workpiece which is mounted on this fifth axis. See you in next video.